To show you the PlanGrid RFI workflow in action, let's begin by going into the RFIs tab in the PlanGrid website. For project admins, PlanGrid will walk you through 3 simple steps to set up the default manager, reviewer, and review period. This will save your team time and effort because this information will be used to automatically fill in certain RFI details. The RFI Manager is responsible for overseeing all RFIs through the entire workflow from beginning to end. The RFI Reviewer is responsible for answering the RFIs. The default review period is the number of calendar days that the reviewer has to respond to the RFI. At any time, you can update this information in the RFI settings. As you can see, setup is super quick and easy, but has a huge payoff. Lastly, click Get Started to allow your team to start creating RFIs.